Hello YouTube, today we're going to be unboxing the Sony WH-1000X M3 headphones. I bought these to replace some Logitech 933 gaming headphones that I had, which have been giving me headaches due to their tight fit. My partner has some of these headphones and was kind enough to let me test them out, and I have to say they were a much nicer fit, so I went out and bought some, and now we're going to unbox them. Anyway, let's get this plastic off and get underway unboxing these headphones. Just huck this plastic out of the way and let's get into it. First impressions are that this is a very secure box. You can see it's quite sturdy. Now I'm just struggling to get into it. There we go. Starting off, we can see we have an easy setup guide. Yep, might have a look at that later. We have a travel case. And we have some more detailed instructions. The box is also very sturdy.
And very solid box. If you need a drawer filler, then this is the ideal box for that. In fact, I think my partner uses her one for that very use.
We also have some instructions, but not gonna get into those right now. Let's have a look at what's in this travel case. You can see on the side here we've got a nice rose gold zipper. Anyway, let's get this unzipped and take a look at what's inside.
And see. So this is a really great feature. This adapter lets you plug on airplanes, so you don't have to use the shitty airplane headphones that, again, give you nasty headaches. You can see these fold up very nicely, so I believe they click, they rotate, and rotate like that. As you can see, very nice. And there, I believe, is the charging port there. And we have some on buttons and input buttons here. Also have some a port down the end there. Now I gather, oh yeah, it even comes with little instructions so you know how it all works on the inside there. So we'll leave that there for now, so I will definitely lose it. You have a cable adapter, so this is if you can't Bluetooth in and you need to plug in directly, so again can pair the port there, and a charging adapter. Now the one thing I did not like about the charging adapter is it is very short and only that long. However, I have bought some USB extenders, extension cables, so that should be a lot better once that's all set up.
Thank you all for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you smash that like button down below. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one.